What is going on, guys? This is your boy Scout Sniper. Today we're going to be doing the ICT silver bullet trade. So as you can see on this chart, I have taken out the liberty to mark the intervals where you should be looking for the trade. It's between 10 and 11 New York time. On a trading view chart, make sure your time is set to New York. If you can convert time, you can still use yours, but make sure that it is in line with the New York time. So let's get right onto it. ICT says between this interval you have to be looking for either a sweep of liquidity or a trade into a fair value gap. So as you can see here, we have price going up and eventually breaking down here. This is a break of structure creating a fair value gap. You see, this is a trade. You can take 5 handles from here. You can take a trade here. Then your exit point will be here. That's basically the silver bullet trade. But I didn't know this until a couple of days, because most of the time I don't listen to ICT on Twitter. So I missed the opportunity to learn this. But now I'm learning it. So I thought I should make this video for you guys. As you can see, price broke structure here. You take your trade here and you exit. You don't hold this for a long time. At the next swing, you exit. So this is a swing. Where price turns is called a swing. Take a trade here and you exit. But this time I didn't do that. I just used what I've already learned from ICT. So this is SMT. SMT signals is another telltale indicator that price is likely to reverse or take a U-turn to the opposite direction. This happens. I use this a lot when I'm trading Nasdaq and US 500 because they correlate. They go in the same directions. But when they give you something like this, know that price is likely to go the opposite direction. For you to use this setup, so let me draw you something. We will have a low that is taken out. So this is taking out this low. Then price moves up. This is what was happening here. And on US 500 we had a failed swing low. Failed swing low. That means this low wasn't taken out by this move. This move just ended here before going below here, then it went up. This is divergence, guys. Divergence. Sorry about this. This is divergence. They are making opposing movements. This is a telltale sign. So when this happens, this is what happened here. That's what. You wait for price to come back into this gap. There should be a fair value gap here. When price comes back into the fair value gap, you take your trade. Yeah, as you can see. Price broke structure here. Here, with these big candles. And then it came back into this volume imbalance. This is a volume imbalance. You take your trade here. Price. If you take a trade here, your exit points are the nearest swings. This, you can use this one. You can use this one. So and forth. Yeah. At the end of the video, I will attach the trades that I took on this trade yesterday. I think I entered somewhere, if I remember well, all the way to the top. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button. I just woke up just to do this for you guys. Please subscribe, like, recommend my videos. I'm out. Scout Sniper.